Welcome to Agriknowledge Hub, your trusted home for timeless farming wisdom and modern agricultural insights. Here, we uncover the science behind nature and the secrets our ancestors knew, those simple yet powerful ways to grow more using less. If you love learning how to make your soil thrive, how to grow healthier plants, and how to harvest abundantly, remember to subscribe, like, and stay until the end, because today, we uncover 27 ways your grandma grew more food from less work. 1. Compost, the living gold of the soil. Your grandmother knew the secret to fertile gardens wasn't in fancy bottles, but in compost. She collected kitchen scraps, dried leaves, and animal manure, allowing them to decompose naturally. The result? Nutrient-rich organic matter that fed the soil life beneath her crops. Modern tip: blend old wisdom with science. Use aerated compost tea, 1 part compost to 5 parts water. Let it brew for 24 hours, then apply it as a foliar spray or soil drench. It's a probiotic for your plants. 2. Mulching, nature's blanket. Grandma never left her soil bare. She covered it with dry grass, banana leaves, or maize stalks. This conserved moisture, reduced weeds, and encouraged earthworms to thrive. Modern upgrade: try plastic or fabric mulches for weed control in larger gardens, or biodegradable paper mulch for small organic farms. 3. Intercropping and companion planting. She grew maize with beans, cassava with groundnuts, and herbs near vegetables. Each plant helped another. Beans fixed nitrogen, while maize provided shade. Modern twist: use digital crop planners or apps like Plantix or FarmSmart to design high-yield companion systems scientifically. 4. Natural pest control. Before synthetic pesticides, she made her own sprays: chili, garlic, and neem soaked in water. The aroma kept away aphids and beetles, yet was safe for bees and humans. 100-gram neem seeds crushed, 5 litres of warm water, 10-minute mild soap as an emulsifier. Steep for 24 hours, strain and spray weekly. 5. Crop rotation. She never grew the same crop in the same place every season. This ancient method prevented nutrient depletion and pest buildup. Modern enhancement. Use soil test kits or lab analysis to guide your rotation plan. For instance, follow heavy feeders like maize with nitrogen fixers like beans. 6. Livestock. Integration. Chickens, goats, and cows weren't just for meat or milk. They powered her farm. Their waste became fertilizer and their movement reduced pests. Today, modern farmers use integrated farming systems, combining crops, fish ponds, and livestock in a closed-loop ecosystem. 7. Grey water reuse. In dry seasons, Grandma reused water from washing and cooking and filtered through charcoal and sand to water plants. Modern version: use low-cost drip systems and rainwater harvesting tanks to conserve every drop. 8. Raised beds and contour gardens. She built raised mounds that improved drainage and made weeding easier. In hilly areas, she planted along contours to prevent erosion. Modern tip: combine with drip irrigation and biochar to boost water retention. 9. Saving seeds. Grandma saved seeds from her healthiest plants. Over generations, they became adapted to local soils and climates. Modern practice: use seed banks or heirloom exchanges to keep traditional genetics alive, while testing modern hybrids for resilience. 10. Green manure. Before planting, she grew legumes like cowpeas or clover, then ploughed them under to enrich the soil naturally. Modern note: this technique is still one of the most cost-effective organic fertilizers, increasing nitrogen and microbial activity. 11. Early morning watering. She watered before sunrise when less evaporation occurred and plants absorbed moisture efficiently. Today, install timed drip irrigation systems to mimic her precision, using 30–40% less water. 12. Ash as fertilizer. Firewood ash was her natural potassium and calcium source. Sprinkled lightly, it improved soil pH and discouraged pests. dilution chart. 1 tablespoon ash per 1 liter of water. Spray for fungal control. Avoid mixing with nitrogen fertilizers. 13. Hand weeding. Before herbicides, she relied on careful hand weeding. It disturbed the soil less and protected root systems. Modern option: use mulch mats or mechanical weeders for time efficiency while preserving soil health. 14. Shadow gardening. She planted shade-loving crops like sucuma and spinach beneath taller plants, maximizing limited space. Modern application: urban gardeners use vertical towers or stacked beds to achieve the same effect. 15. Kitchen gardens near home. She always grew food near her doorstep: herbs, greens, onions, ensuring daily freshness and easy care. Modern tip: try hydroponic kitchen gardens. You'll get up to 50% faster growth with less soil. 16. Pollinator-friendly gardens. Grandma valued bees. She planted sunflowers, basil and wildflowers to attract them. Modern twist: create a bee corridor, a mix of flowering herbs and native plants for year-round nectar supply. 17. Organic ferments. She used fermented banana peels, papaya, or molasses as natural growth boosters. 5 banana peels, 1 liter water. Ferment for 7 days. Dilute 1.10 and water plants weekly. 18. Smart spacing. She knew the right plant spacing meant better airflow, less disease, and stronger yields. Modern support: use AI-based tools or mobile guides to calculate optimal spacing per crop. 19. Planting by moon cycles. Though traditional, her timing worked, aligning with natural gravitational pulls that affect water in plants. Modern comparison: combine moon phase planting with soil moisture sensors for precision agriculture. 20. Using animal manure wisely. She aged manure before use, preventing plant burn. Modern equivalent: compost or anaerobically digest manure to reduce pathogens and release nutrients slowly. 21. Dry season traps. She left traps of water and ash to attract insects away from crops, a clever passive pest control. Modern adaptation: use pheromone traps or sticky cards for pest monitoring. 22. Minimal tillage. Grandma avoided deep ploughing. She loosened soil gently with hose, protecting earthworms and moisture. Modern method: use no-till planters and cover crops to sustain soil carbon. 23. Mixed root depth crops. By combining deep-rooted cassava with shallow-rooted beans, she balanced soil use and nutrient access. Modern approach: try layered cropping, boosting yields per square meter. 24. Local wisdom sharing. Her success spread by storytelling and community help. Farmers shared seeds, knowledge, and laughter. Modern revival: join online farmer forums or local agri-youth networks to exchange sustainable practices. 25. Resting the land. She gave her fields a break, letting them recover naturally. Modern insight: we now know this replenishes soil microbes and nutrient balance, a key to regenerative agriculture. 26. Natural indicators. She watched birds, ants, and the smell of soil to predict rain or pest invasions. Modern equivalent: use IoT sensors and weather apps. Science now validates what her eyes already knew. 27. Love and observation. Perhaps her greatest secret wasn't a fertilizer or a formula. It was love. She watched her plants, listened to her soil, and responded intuitively. Modern science agrees: frequent observation detects problems early, boosting productivity by up to 30%. From compost to computers, from moonlight planting to moisture sensors, the essence remains the same: care, connection, and curiosity. If you found this journey through Grandma's garden inspiring, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Agriknowledge Hub, where ancient wisdom meets modern science and every seed tells a story. Stay tuned, because the next episode might just change how you see your soil forever.